Audi instrument installation video. Remove the outer frames on both sides. Unscrew the fixing screws of the dashboard. Remove the light shield. Twist off the screws below the dashboard. Unplug the original car power connector. Remove the dashboard screws. Disassemble the dashboard rear cover. Remove the dashboard pointer. Open the back shell. Remove the circuit board. Pull out the small screen and don't break the cable. Open the back cover of the LCD instrument panel. Insert ribbon, cable. Align the dashboard circuit board. Lock two screws. Insert the black wire into the socket. There are reserved holes at the back of this motherboard. Insert the black line into the dashboard. Do not press the cable after covering the back shell. Twist on the three fixing screws of the dashboard. Plug in the adapter cable. Insert the white wire as well. Take out the USB cable for easy upgrading in the future. Wear it to the left reserve position. Original car wire docking. Please ensure that all wires are securely plugged in. Insert the wire into the cavity after insertion to avoid pressing it down. Remove the central control screen. Take out a multimeter to measure the voltage. Set the multimeter to beep mode. Test one by one. Find the GND first. Vehicle powered on. Find the positive pole of the battery 12 volts. After finding the positive electrode, find the CAN cables. CAN plus and CAN add up to about 5 volts. CAN plus around 4.5 volt. CAN around 0.5 volt. CAN are usually two lines that are tightly connected. After finding the 4 wires, fasten all the ones. We have prepared accordingly as shown in the picture. Start testing after deduction. The lever behind the steering wheel is a left and right toggle button. The sliding wheel on the steering wheel is an up and down button. Press the scroll wheel once to confirm the button. Check if all buttons are working properly. Twist two screws to fix it in place. Attention! Cut off one buckle. Easy to install. Later. Attention! Also cut a buckle on the right side. Install the original car frame. Install the light shield. Install side panel. Installation is complete.